If you've ever wished your coffee grinder could be just a little quieter, a little sleeker, and a whole lot more travel friendly, this might be the one. Hey everyone, my name is Ryan, and I'm here to talk about the Millab E01 Electric Grinder. This is the Millab E01 Electric Grinder. A compact, cordless grinder made in collaboration with Timor. It's designed to bring precision, portability, and clean design to your coffee routine. Whether you're grinding at home, in the office, or on the road, the E01 helps you brew fresh, consistent coffee without bulky equipment or needing a full brew bar setup. The first thing you'll notice is how clean and thoughtful the design is. It's got a matte aluminum body with this trident-inspired shape that feels modern and minimal. The E01 features a set of S2C890 burrs. That stands for spike to cut. It's a patented design from Timor that cracks the beans before grinding them, which helps with consistency and reduces fines, leading to a smoother cup. You get 60 stepped adjustments, each one moving the burrs by 0.025 millimeters. So whether you're doing French press, AeroPress, mocha pot, or something in between, you've got real control over your grind size. If you're newer to manual brewing, this kind of control lets you explore how grind size changes flavor. If you're more experienced, you'll love being able to dial things in more precisely without getting overly complicated. The motor is a 25-watt brushless unit, powered by two built-in 2,500 mAh batteries. It charges via USB-C, which makes it super easy to keep powered up wherever you are. On a full charger, you can get about 130 medium grind cycles, or around 30 finer grinds. That's more than enough for daily use, or even extended travel. It also has a smart auto reverse to clear minor jams and shuts off automatically when grinding's done. These small features make a big difference in daily use, and best of all, it's quiet. You can use it early in the morning or while someone's on a call, and it won't disturb the whole room. The bean chamber holds up to 50 grams, which is enough for most single brews and small batches for two. A medium grind takes around 35 seconds, while finer settings might take up to a minute. It's not a high-speed grinder, and that's the point. It's focused on consistency and evenness, which directly impacts flavor. Because it's quiet and doesn't take up much space, it works equally well in home kitchens or mobile setups. It's clean, compact, and helps make grinding feel like part of the ritual instead of a chore. The E01 is great for anyone brewing pour-over, French press, AeroPress, mocha pot, or small batch brews. If you're using a manual espresso setup like a flare or a pressurized portafilter, it can definitely get you close. But if you're running a traditional non-pressurized espresso machine that demands ultra-fine precision, you might find the range a little more limited. And honestly, that's by design. The E01 is focused on the brewing methods most people actually use day to day, and it does those really, really well. If you're upgrading from a hand grinder, simplifying your setup, or building a travel kit, this is a smart, reliable option. In short, the Millab E01 brings together sharp design, solid engineering, and practical features in one well-balanced package. It's lightweight but sturdy, easy to use but precise, and built with the kinds of small details that genuinely improve your coffee routine. Whether you're brewing at home or out on a trail, the E01 helps you get fresh, consistent grinds without slowing down your day. If you're ready to upgrade your grind, head to 8-Ounce Coffee to learn more or grab one for yourself. We think you'll love what it brings to the table, wherever your table happens to be.